Hi everyone, I'm Roxanne and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Black Friday from Look Fantastic. I know it's a little late, we're having a bit of a mail strike, so I'm getting everything a little late. So the top of the box says, because some things are worth loving twice. So I believe this was about $30 Canadian, I'm not sure. I believe it's still up on the site. It does show you everything that you can get, so I thought I'd just show you quickly what I got. First thing here I have is Nuxe Huile oil. This will nourish, repair, and soften both your skin and hair. This dry oil will provide ultimate hydration that will leave both your hair and skin super glossy and protect thanks to non-greasy formula. It has a bit of a smell to it, it's kind of nice. The next item I see is the Grow Gorgeous 11-in-1 cleansing conditioner. It leaves you locks shiny and smooth with multitasking shampoo and conditioner in one. Reduces frizz and flyaways, adds volume, and hydrates your hair and scalp, leaving your hair full of vitality. Your hair will be revitalized and rebalanced in one step. I think I already actually have this upstairs in a glossy box, and I really, really do like it. The next thing I have here is the Korres shower gel. Invigorate your skin and your senses with a fresh and fruity scent. With this refreshing shower gel, you'll be left soothed and moisturized and softened skin from head to toe. A fresh and fruity scent of blossoming Greek vineyards. The next item I see is HD High Definition Eyeshadow Palette and Foxy. Oops, it comes with a little brush there. And it has a bit of a mirror. Those are kind of nice colors. Neutral. That brush. The next item I see is Laura Geller's New York LashBoss. Never have too many mascaras. This is vegan Dr. Botanicals Vanilla Chai and Amber Relaxing Cleansing Bar. This smells so good. I am so excited to kind of use this. Oh, it's a pretty good soap size too. I got a few things from Dr. Botanicals that I love. So this is Emma Hardie. It's a fairly good size for that. What is it here? Moringa Balm. It's a cleanser, so it deep cleanses with this daily cleanser by Emma Hardie using ingredients of Moringa seed extract, wild seed fennel, and vitamin E. With this balm, lifts away makeups and impurities while revitalizing dull skin. A skincare favorite. Ooh. Oh, so that'll be interesting to use. And then we have Talika Bubble Mask Detox. I always love masks. I'm sure I'll throw this on this week sometime. Christophe Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste. I believe this is for the hair. Yep. Let's see here. I believe I had a sample that I used from Sephora from them, and I really liked it. It's a cleansing shampoo like treatment. Ingredients of a baboa leaf, centilfial rose water, and a mineral clay. Huh, that sounds interesting. I wonder if it has... That smells actually really good. It doesn't look good, but it smells good. I love stuff for my hair. So this is Instant Moisturizing Radiance Hydra Mask from SOS. 15 minutes. A lightweight formula that works to improve skin tone and texture without over drying. Northern peony, linseed, and hyaluronic acid intensely hydrates and replenishes the skins to restore natural radiance to self-nourish and refresh complexion. Back at work now, so this will definitely come in handy. Just a nice soft floral scent, which isn't bad. And then, of course, everybody's favorite, an Eyeko eyeliner. These seem to be very popular right now. So there's what, 11 items in the box, ranging a little bit of everything from skincare to hair care to makeup. I guess all this box really needed was like a lipstick, and it would have been like the perfect box, I think. It has a mascara, an eyeliner. Yeah, so I think it's not too bad. I did have to pay duties on it, so it kind of made it a little more expensive. I really like the box. It's huge. So I believe it's still available. There's a link below that will send you to the site, and I believe if you use it, I might get some sort of referral credit for it, but I'm not sure. It looks fantastic. It's a little odd. But yes, thanks for watching.